If there's one thing more important than views, it is this: the time it took from ID to upload. My video with over 1 million views only took me 2 hours to create. Here's another video of mine that took me only 90 minutes to create. Let me show you how I did. Here's my actual data of 2 videos. Video 1, which has around 500,000 impressions, and video 2, which has over 11 million impressions. Now, which one would you rather make? Video 2 is the obvious answer if you care about views, right? But listen closely. Video 1 took me and my editor around 13 hours from A to Z. Video 2 took me only 2 hours from A to Z, and this includes a thumbnail. But on a side note, as you can see, my video got an 8% click-through rate on 11 million impressions. So if you want thumbnails with click-through rates like me, then download my free thumbnail pack with many templates to create ones like this, and this in minutes for free. Anyways, can you imagine creating a 1 million viewed video in 2 hours? Well, I couldn't before I did it, because I've been conditioned to believe that hard work pays off, right? That spending more time on a video equals more views. Maybe this is the belief you hold inside as well. I even made this visual about it. It shows that spending 10 times more time on a video could give you not 10 times more views, but over 100 times the views. Now, why is this so? Why are these power laws true? Well, because Mr. Beast said so. But hey, I don't believe everything the guy says, and I think neither should you, if you care about truth like me. And also, even though I've hired over 50 people, I don't have production budgets like Jimmy yet. So what is the truth? Well, there are formats where you do not have to spend more time or money in order to get 1 million views. There are workflows that allow you to spend 90 minutes and get views like this. So when I got 1 million views after only 2 hours of work, I got obsessed with my workflow. Personally, I don't care about 10 million views with one video. I care about getting many 1 million viewed videos in less time. I much rather upload daily with 30 chances per month to get 1 million views and a lot of data to learn from, much rather than to upload weekly with 4 chances per month to get 1 million views. But maybe your mind made you believe, right, if you upload weekly that you have higher quality videos. But don't listen to your mind, my friend. It's not true, at least not for me. My 2-hour workflow still got me high retention editing. Just not in the same time it takes expensive editors. And without the costs, for sure. I mean, I'm not interested in paying over 400 euros for a 4-minute video with high retention Iman Gadzhi, Alex Hormozi style editing. Because at a 2 euros RPM, it would mean that I need 200,000 views to break even. So I'm glad my workflow took me 2 hours. Not because of the savings in editing costs, not because of the savings in my own time, but because volume negates luck, like Alex Hormozi said as well. And daily uploads give me those 30 chances a month, and ultimately makes YouTube less of a lottery game to play. But what is my lesson? Well, the more constraints I have, the better ideas I get. When I limited myself to just 2 hours, I thought the quality of the video would suffer. But hey, opposite happened. I got 45% and 50% average view percentage videos. So, constraints breed creativity. At least that has been true for me. So may you use them, my friend. Now, if you want to know what my workflow looks like, with examples and even a checklist for yourself and your video editor, if you have one to replicate, then comment the word workflow below and I'll send you all the details for free. Just like my Google Sheet with over 70 free YouTube tools. But if there is one free YouTube native feature that I wish I used earlier, it is this one. I explain why I lost a lot of views and money by not using it sooner in this video. See you there, or not. Talk soon.